Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to check your hard disk error on Windows 7 computer. You can also try this method on Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe our channel Tricknology. So at first you need to go to your start menu and click on my computer, and after that, as you can see, it's showing two drive on my computer. One is C drive, another one is E drive. So E drive is not using right now, so I'm going to scan this drive. So just right click over there and click on properties and go to the tools, and after that under tools section you will get one error checking option. So click on this check now button. After that you have to check the option is called scan for and attempt recover of bad sectors. So after that click on scan. So it will scan one by one all your hard disks. So as you can see, your device or your disk was successfully scanned, is showing scanned, so no problem were found. So now I'm going to close this, and if you want to scan your C drive, then it will showing like this. So just go to your properties tools and check now, and if I'll scan this option, so as you can see it's showing schedule scan.